Hello guys, welcome back with me Cho 2025. Today we're going to learn how to use LTX Video in ComfyUI. For now we will learn the text to video. LTX Video is the first DIT-based video generation model capable of generating high-quality videos in real time. It produces 24 FPS videos at a 768x file to resolution faster than they can be watched, if you use crazy GPU that is. Trained on a large-scale dataset of diverse videos, the model generates high-resolution videos with realistic and varied content. Before we do anything, let's start installing it. What we need to do first is to access the GitHub page, link on video description. Copy-paste the GitHub link, access ComfyUI, open Manager, select Install via Git URL. Paste the link on the text box and click OK. Wait until the installation process finishes. Click Restart ComfyUI. After it restarted, time to install the requirement back to GitHub page. If you are using non-portable, copy the upper part script. Since I use portable, I copy the portable script. Using command prompt in Comfy Portable parent directory. That is directory that has ComfyUI folder and Python embedded folder. Paste the script and let the installation start. After it finished, now time to use the workflow. In this video we will focus on text to video. So download the text to video workflow. Open the workflow. If you found that you still has red nodes, and you check Manager there is no missing nodes, there is most likely you need to upgrade your ComfyUI version. So let's update it. Open Manager, select Update ComfyUI. It's going to take a while. After it finished, now the red node will be missing. If after update you find a case like mine, where all nodes seems disconnected, simply update your MixLab. The next part is to download the model. Back to GitHub page. Search for model and click the Hugging Face link of LTX Video model. From there, download the model and save it on ComfyUI models checkpoints. Now the last part is to download the text encoders. Check the point 2 under model. There is a Hugging Face script. Copy-paste the Hugging Face location and access it. Go to Files and Version. There are a lot of files here, so you need to get cloned. But the problem, this thing has 3 big files. To clone this, follow the step. Click the 3 dots and it will show you options. Follow the script there. Go to ComfyUI/models/text encoders, write git lefs install and the git clone the link. It will take a while to do this. If you feel it takes too long, you could end it by pressing Ctrl and C. All is not lost. Usually there's still 3 big files left. It should be big file in VIA and 2 big file in text encoder folder. Just download them manually. After that, simply run the workflow. Make sure to refresh first and select the model and the text encoders. Now here are the examples. A pretty woman walking down the street in downtown. She is wearing a wedding gown. It's daytime. There are a lot of cars. She has a slim body with medium breast. The generation took only 200 seconds using my RTX 4060 16 gigs. This applies for the second generation after the model is loaded. It seems using short sentences is not working great. Let's try using long sentences. A pretty woman talking to the camera. She is smiling. She is an Asian woman with pretty face. Beautiful eyes. Her hair is short and black. She is wearing tight white shirt. Her body is slim with medium breast. The camera remains stationary, focused on the upper body. She is in a garden. It's daytime with good lighting. Her face is clear. This time it takes 500 seconds to generate, quite long. Although the result quite good, but I don't think using Pretty Woman is working. To get better view how to make a good prompt, access the Gizeb page of the LTX video. Here are a bunch of samples. Let's try one. Or the example is a crazy long paragraph. But let's copy-paste one just to try and see the result. A woman with blood on her face and a white tank top. A woman with blood on her face and a white tank top looks down and to her right, then back up as she speaks. She has dark hair pulled back, light skin, and her face and chest are covered in blood. The camera angle is a close-up, focused on the woman's face and upper torso. The lighting is dim and blue-toned, creating a somber and intense atmosphere. The scene appears to be from a movie or TV show. It takes 500 seconds too for this. Now let's adjust the prompt. A 27-year-old Korean woman with white tank top. A 27-year-old Korean woman with white tank top looks to the front and smiling, then back up as she speaks. She has dark long hair, light skin. Her face is beautiful and she shows some cleavage. The camera angle is focused on the upper body of the woman. The lighting is bright with daylight, creating a happy and calm atmosphere. The scene appears to be from a K-drama or TV show. Okay, adjust a lot of things. For now, I think this thing is better than SVD, but not that great. Maybe I need to learn how to create the right prompt first, but adjusting existing prompt not really created great result. But this thing at least has potential. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment. See you again on the next episode. And have a nice day. Please subscribe.